London and I graduated from the University of Manchester in 2018 with a Law with Politics degree. Outside of my current role as a paralegal, I also sit on the youth panel for the Independent Office for Police Conduct, and that's essentially investigating police work, and I'm also quite interested in legal tech. So I'm currently at a transition in my career. So after completing my LLB and working through Felix as a paralegal for the past year, I'm now going to be starting the LPC with an additional LLM this September, having recently obtained my training contract. For the past year now, I've been working in the legal department of a multinational IT consultancy, and I would definitely say it's been a really unique opportunity. Working through Felix has definitely been a game changer for me in widening my legal exposure and knowledge of the wider legal market. So I've completed a shorter term role at Magic Circle firm and longer term role in-house, and would definitely say that both times I've had to hit the ground running and always felt supported by Felix. I would say the most challenging thing about being an on-demand paralegal is I've always quite valued structure, timelines and security in regards to my long-term career. So I'm sure a number of people can relate to that, and whilst I know that it can be really challenging, there's definitely so many positives, and I've definitely learned that every experience is part of your story. And it really was an opportunity for me to work somewhere flexibly, and that really was the real benefit for me. I was able to complete a number of VAC schemes and interviews and really enjoyed widening my network. I particularly enjoyed the element of working in-house quite early on in my career. You know, when you go to law firm interviews, you may get asked why law and why not consultancy or finance. So I would definitely say that working in-house confirmed that. So I was working on a number of agreements and reading a lot of different drafts that would set the foundations for a number of projects going on within the company, and I found that really interesting, that there's a number of different projects and deals that have really big, large impacts, and one day you might get the opportunity to draft those. This is quite a difficult one because everyone has such a unique skill set to offer. So my one piece of advice would be use that to your advantage. Getting a training contract definitely isn't easy, but I started to see results when I made the decision to commit to being the best version of myself.